In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or switch to the dark mode theme on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select personalization, and then on the right side, you want to scroll down and select colors. And then where it says choose your mode, you can click the drop down here and you can select dark, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.